Hello everyone, my name is Sunny Sharma and welcome in my channel, YouTube channel, that is Sunny's Computer Tutorial. And now we will start with our new syllabus of artificial intelligence. As we all know that we in our previous lectures also we have done with many chapters of artificial intelligence, many topics, many important topics of artificial intelligence. That is it comes under the syllabus of CBSE. Now we will start with our next unit syllabus, that will start with our chapter 2 of artificial intelligence, that is AI project cycle. Now what is artificial intelligence? As we have discussed this in our previous chapter also, that what is AI, and now we will start with our AI project cycles. As we have done many life cycles of science, as we have done in a science also, like water cycle, like butterfly cycle of a butterfly, and many more cycles we have done. Like if we will talk about a life cycle of water, that from clouds it comes, water comes in a form of a rain, then it comes on the trees and vegetables, and then it evaporates by sunlight, and then it's evaporate, and then it forms a cloud, and then again it comes in the form of a rain. So they like that many cycles we have done in our science also. Now we will done with this artificial intelligence. So for any cycle in computer science means you have to develop, you have to design, you have to develop, you have to test, and then you have to maintain a proper product of a particular project. Now we will start with the AI life cycle. So before coming to the we have to come across these different phases of life cycle of AI. Like first one is a problem scoping. Problem scoping means, problem scoping is a good technique. That is, if we will divide this word problem and scoping, means problem is something like in our day-to-day life, something like which we unwelcome the things or situations in our life, which we are unwelcome the situations, which is very harmful, any issues, any trouble, any difficulties. So that is known as a problem. Problem can be defined as an unwelcome situation that affects our life, that harms our life, that is very difficult situation in our life. So we can denote it as a problem. Then it comes a scoping. So scoping is a thing when we are visualizing some certain things. Scoping means like we are using a microscope for viewing microorganisms, and in laboratory also we have to visualize the certain things. So scoping means we are scanning the certain problems. We are going through that particular problem, and we have to take a view of that product. So that is a scoping. So scoping means visualization of an object, or we are just scanning a particular object to solve our problem. So that this is known as a problem scoping. So first step of AI project cycle is a problem scoping, and it comes under the computer science, and this is the first phase of the AI project cycle. After problem scoping, then it comes a data acquisition. As we know that data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Data is a collection of huge amounts of files, data, facts, statistics, many things comes under the collection of different items is known as a data. Then acquisition means we are we are collecting a number of data items for a particular thing. So acquisition is a collecting of different data items is known as a acquisition. Acquisition, that means the complete word form a data acquisition. Data acquisition means collecting of data to come across the problem or to manage a product. We have to collect a certain data, that is known as a data acquisition. Data acquisition means collecting of large amount of data. Like if we have to maintain a list of a student, for example, we have to maintain a list of a student. So for that particular list, we have to collect the names, we have to collect the roll numbers, we have to collect the father names and address and mother name of the student. So while collecting all that data, then we can generate a particular list in a Excel, that is known as a data acquisition. So after this, it comes a data exploring. What is a data exploring? Data means a collection of certain amount of things, certain amount of raw facts, figures. So data can be defined in that form, and exploring means we are like this like we are this is a time of COVID-19 and we all are staying at our homes, and we are giving you a online lectures while you using a YouTube channels and a Zoom classes. So exploring means now we are going through this situation of COVID-19, and instead of sitting vacant at home, we have to done some things. And like there is no vaccination till now of COVID-19, but that means that doesn't mean ki no. Scientists and doctors are experimenting day to day, and they are performing a large amount of medicines for COVID-19. That is, they are exploring the things, means they are sharing, they are collecting the things, like they have done the data acquisition. First it comes a problem scoping, that COVID-19 comes, we haven't go to the COVID-19 comes in India through the other countries. It starts from China, that is a problem scoping. Then it comes a data acquisition. Data acquisition means like these days schools are closed and no vaccination of COVID, but then also we are collecting the things. I am giving you a lecture while using my YouTube channel, and we are also using the Zoom classes. So all these things, that is, we are collecting the data in the form of online classes. We are collecting a vaccination of COVID-19. That comes under the data acquisition. Then it comes a data exploring. Now doctors are experimenting the vaccination on monkeys and different persons. Some persons in India and other countries also have denoted themselves for applying the medicine of COVID-19 on themselves. So that means the doctors and the scientists are exploring new things. They are doing the researches. They are technically, they are medically, they are examining different items on the different persons, and that means exploring means they are searching new things. They are going through with this thing, and they are searching on the internet and many other things. That is known as a data exploring. That means we are going through with the new searches, new inventions. We are doing new inventions for the COVID-19 and many other problems that comes in our life. So we have to go through with that problems, and we have to search new things, and we have to go through with these things, and that means a data exploring. After data exploring, that comes the modeling. Modeling is also important phase of AI life cycle. For example, we have to develop a self-driving car. If we will take an example of a self-driving car, so before doing the modeling of the car, we have to go through with these steps: problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploring, and modeling. Modeling means, model doesn't mean ki, one model has made for a self-driving car and it works. When we are doing AI, when we are dealing with this artificial intelligence project cycle, that means we have to create a number of different models, and that particular models are then tested, and then it maintains in our life. So we have to generate a number of models. Like for example, if we take example of a COVID-19, scientists and doctors have made a number of medicines, but that doesn't come till now in all over the India, because the reason is that they are inventing new medicines, they are experimenting new things, but they haven't given the result till now that this particular medicine is very common for the COVID-19, because they are generating the models. For example, if we talk about the self-driving cars, so the self-driving car doesn't comes in India till now, but in other countries, before coming to the market, we have the mechanical or engineers that are developing these cars. They have to generate some small models of the car. For example, also one more example I have, these days there comes the issue of a Ram Mandir also, and Ram Mandir is not generated till now. But before establishing a Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, they have made a model of that particular Mandir, Ram Mandir. So before going through with that project, they have developed a model of the Mandir. So model of the Mandir means they have done the problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploring, and then they have developed the model of a Ram Mandir, like we have to maintain this thing in Ayodhya. They have given the model of that Mandir, and this comes in a modeling. So after modeling it comes a evolution. Evolution means testing, evolution means checking, evolution means testing is to be done. When the model is being generated, we have to test that model. We have to, for example, if we have to purchase a car from the market, we can take the test drive. We can take the test drive for the car. So that is known as a evolution. For example, if your teachers are giving you some test, they have to check your test. Either is it in a form of a Google form or it is a physically test. So the teachers have given you some test, and after giving the test, they have to check the test. They have to evaluate the test. That means evolution has to be done. Evolution means done the checking, done corrections, grammatical mistakes. All these things come in the evolution of the project. So before giving the final touch to the any project, we have to evaluate, we have to done the testing. There are number of testing techniques, so we have to follow that techniques before giving the final touch to the project. So all these phases comes under the AI life cycle. So this is very important topic according to the artificial intelligence. It is a very major part of computer science that comes in the form of artificial intelligence. These days also we all are going through with these features of artificial intelligence, like we are dealing with the Google, we are dealing with the Facebook, we are dealing with the YouTube, and day to day we are our YouTubes, our applications of Facebook and YouTubes and Instagram are updated with new features. That features comes across by using the artificial intelligence and data sciences that are being used by the number of persons in their mobile phone, laptops and computers. So all these things come under the AI project cycle. Instead of this project cycle, if we will talk about something else that are coming in our life also, so we have to, for example, if we have to go to the top floor of any building, so we have to cross from ground floor, we have to go to the first floor, second floor, third floor, and then it comes the top floor. So we have to go through with the different phases. We have to cover the different steps to complete the particular life cycle of a particular product. That is known as a life cycle. That we have in my starting of my lecture also, I have tell you that in science also we have gone through with the number of life cycles, water cycle, butterfly, like from if we talk example of a butterfly, first of all there comes a egg, from eggs there comes a caterpillar, from the caterpillar there comes a pupa, then it converted in the form of a butterfly, again butterfly gives the eggs, and then complete cycle repeated again and again. I have given you the example of a water also, I have given you example of a photosynthesis also. So all these cycles rotate in our life, rotate in our day-to-day life. Same there, it comes a AI project life cycle. In artificial intelligence also, we have to follow 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps to go through with the AI life cycle. So this is my first lecture of AI project life cycle. Now in our next lectures, I will give you the lecture on a particular like data acquisition. I will give you one lecture on data acquisition. Then I will give you the one lecture on data exploring. Then I will give you on modeling. Then on evolution. So all these chapters covers in a 5 lectures or a 6 lectures. I will give you the complete descriptions of these all the stages. how it occurs. So I hope you all will understand this first part of AI project cycle, and I want you all to please do practice at home while reading the book of AI and while viewing my channel also. So at the end I want to give you an experiment also. Like in your day-to-day life, you all are sitting at your home. Now I am giving you one project. You all have to make a project for while writing on your copies. For example, get up early in the morning and start visualization on your today one day of your life. That you get up in the morning and then you have done the breakfast, then you have done the lunch, then dinner, then you go out for a playing and something else. So you have to make a project on the complete life cycle of one day of your own. Okay? So we will go through with this project, and with this I will continue with this all the things that we have done in our AI project life cycle. So that's all for today. I hope you will understand this very easily. Please practice this at home, and please subscribe my channel. That is the link given under this video also. So please subscribe my channel. That is Sunny's Computer Tutorial. Thank you for today. Be safe and stay home.